Zillow versus Realtor, which platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which real estate platform is better between Zillow and Realtor. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Zillow. Zillow offers a vast database of property listings across the US, features an intuitive and easy to use website and app, provides detailed information on property history, market trends, and neighborhood data, includes a proprietary tool for estimating home values called Zestimate, allows for easy exploration of buying and selling options directly through Zillow offers, while some users find the Zestimate tool to be inaccurate. Heavy advertising presence can detract from user experience. Provides less detailed information on real estate agents compared to some competitors. Now, let's come towards Realtor. Realtor ensures accuracy and timeliness with listings updated directly from MLS. Offers comprehensive information on real estate agents, including reviews and ratings. Features an easy to navigate website and app. Provides a wealth of resources and tools for buyers, sellers, and renters. Fewer ads compared to some other platforms. Somehow, it may have fewer property listings compared to Zillow. Lacks a robust home value estimation tool like Zillow's Zestimate. Offers fewer integrated services compared to Zillow. Choosing between Zillow and Realtor in 2024 depends on your specific real estate needs. Zillow excels with its extensive property listings, comprehensive data, and integrated services like Zillow offers. Realtor stands out for its accurate listings from MLS, detailed agent information, and fewer ads. Consider the importance of extensive listings and integrated services versus accuracy and detailed agent information to determine which platform aligns best with your real estate goals. That's all for this video.